Good morning, students. We are going to continue exercise 11.2 of mensuration and question number 9. We have completed up to question number 8. Then we are going to solve question number 9. Top surface of raised platform is in the shape of regular octagon as shown in the figure. Find the area of octagonal surface. First of all, you draw the figure of octagonal surface. Clear? Then you find out the area of the octagonal surface. Your figure is one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, and you divide this figure into 3 parts. First, second, and third. First part is in the shape of trapezium. This is given 11 meter, and this is given 5 meter. Clear? And since this is a regular octagonal surface, therefore each side is equal. This means if this is a 5 meter, this is also 5 meter. And this is also 5 meter. And this is 11 meter, then this is also 11 meter. Clear? You have 3 parts in this figure. First and third are trapezium shape, and second is in rectangular shape. You find out all these parts areas and add, you get the area of octagonal surface. Clear? You write down area of octagonal surface is equal to area of first part plus area of second part plus area of third part. Area of first part is, since this is in the shape of trapezium, you use the area of trapezium formula 1/2 sum of the parallel sides into distance between them. It is given 4 meter. Distance between them is given 4 meter. If this is a 4 meter, then this is also 4 meter. Okay, then you write 1/2 into sum of the parallel sides 5 meter plus 11 meter into distance between them is 4 plus area of second part is rectangular shape, therefore this area is L into B, means 11 meter into 5 meter plus this is also trapezium shaped and 1 upon 2 sum of the parallel sides into distance between them. You cancel 4 by 2, you get 2, and here also you cancel 4 by 2, you get 2. This means this is 5 and 11, 16 into 2 plus 11 into 5 plus 16 into 2. You simplify this expression, you get 32 plus 11 by the 55 plus 16 to the 32, you get 2, 5, 7, 2, 9 and 3, 5, 8, 3, 11, 119 meter square. It is your answer of question number 9. Just you carry it. Okay, just you carried it. Can I repeat? Question number 10. There is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into two different ways. Find the area of this park using both ways. Can you suggest some other way of finding its area? In this question, you have given pentagonal shaped park, which diagram is given in your figure, and this diagram is divided by two girls in two ways, Jyoti and Kavita. Jyoti divided into a trapezium shaped field and Kavita divided into two shapes, first triangular shape and second is a square shape. By using these two ways, you also find out the area of pentagonal shaped park. And if you have another way to find the area of this pentagonal shaped park, you also explain that method. Clear? In this question, first of all, you draw the pentagonal shaped park. Pentagonal shaped park. This is your pentagonal shaped park. This is 15 meter, this is also 15 meter, this is 15 meter, and this height is given 30 meter. Total height is given 30 meter. This is the shape of pentagonal shaped park. This is the figure of pentagonal shaped park. Clear? Jyoti's diagram is this. According to Jyoti divided this figure in two equal trapezium shaped field. Trapezium shaped field. This is 15 meter and this is also 15 meter and this is 15 meter and total height is given here 30 meter. You find out the area of pentagonal set park by using Jyoti's way. Area of pentagonal shaped park by using Jyoti's way is equal to, this is divided into two trapeziums, same set trapeziums, first and second. This is first and this is second. If you want to find total area of this figure, you write down 2 into 1 upon 2 into sum of the parallel sides, into distance between them, that is 15 upon 2, because total distance is 15. When you want to find this distance, you divide 15 by 2, because both are equal. This is divided in equal part. Clear? Then you have 2 is cancelled here and you get 15 plus 30, that is 45 into 15 upon 2. When you multiply 45 by 15, you get 15 5 the 75, 15 4 the 60 and 67 upon 2. When you divide this by 2, you get 337.5 meter square. Means area of this pentagonal shaped park is 337.5 meter square by using the method of Jyoti. Then I use the Kavita's way to find the area of pentagonal shaped park. Kavita's diagram is, this is pentagonal shaped park and Kavita divided it here. This means this is 15 meter, this is 15 meter, this is 15 meter, this is also 15 meter, and this height is also 15 meter, because total height is 30. Total height is 30 meter. When you subtract 15 from 30, you get the height of this triangle. This means you find out area of the pentagonal shaped park by using Kavita's way. You get area of triangle plus area of square. Area of triangle is 1 upon 2 into base into height plus area of square is 15 into 15. You get 225 upon 2 plus 225. When you divide it, you get 112.5 plus 225, that is equal to 337.5 meter square. This is the area of the pentagonal shaped park by using Kavita's way. We have also another way to find this area. To find this area. Okay. Another way of diagram is like this. Only you divide and only you draw a diagonal in this square. Diagonal in this square. This is also 15 meter. This is given. Then you have three triangles. First, second, and third. And all of them have same base and same height. Means all of them are congruent to each other. Therefore, area of the pentagonal shaped part by another way is equal to 3 into 1 upon 2 base into height. That is 3 into 2 to 5 upon 2, that is 675 upon 2 is equal to 337.5 meter square. Okay.